Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the AI generator tool on Canva website. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we are just going to the Canva home or to our Canva. We are just going to create a design so we can start anything so we can use our tool or AI tool. So either I can start with any design from here, or I can just go to templates and start with the templates, or I'm just going to create something from scratch. So let's suppose that we want just a presentation. I'm just going to create this blank presentation here, and basically we can see our designs here, etc. So now we want just to use our AI generator on Canva. So basically, we need just to go to elements so we can add some generation. And here we can see the AI image generator of Canva. Click on it and let's open our Canva generator. So basically, I'm just going to add a prompt. Those texts are called prompts. So some cute, huge, strong tiger. And I'm just going to try generate image, and it will start generating this text to images. So basically, we need just to wait for the prompting to process your text and give you an image. This is an image that was given to me by this generation, and I can just have it here. And of course, you can have modifying some of your prompting, and basically make sure you do not exceed these limits of credits, and click generate again, and you can start using these on your designs. And of course, you can start like setting image background. You can just taking off the backgrounds from it by using some other tools, etc., etc. So basically, this is how you can use the AI generator on Canva. Thank you for watching and see you next time.